Hey, it's Spencer here with Bill Hugel and Tim Verdow, and all the screenshots you see on this page came from this brand new Milk It method. Our partner Tim has been milking these hidden traffic sources behind the scenes, and he's been banking between $100 to $200 a day consistently with this method. And these are pure profits because he's using 100% free targeted traffic. And the best part is you can set up these Milk It campaigns within just 20 minutes from now. There's no list required to do this, and you also don't need to do any product creation or product launching. Now, when Tim first started testing this method, it was making him an extra $20 to $30 a day, but then he fine-tuned it and made some powerful tweaks to it that make it really unique and that really set it apart. And with those tweaks, Tim was able to scale this up to $100 a day. Now, other marketers out there might teach bits and pieces of this method, but they really don't give you the whole picture, especially in the way that Tim is doing this. Basically, Tim has discovered some very untapped traffic sources, and he's figured out how to milk these traffic sources and convert his traffic into easy buyers and profits. This is such a unique approach to getting to $100 a day online. Right there on the screen you can see, this is just a typical 24 hours for Tim. I mean, you're going to absolutely flip when you see this method. I know that all sounds too good to be true, but that really isn't the case here. And to shatter any doubt, I recommend you read through this page and see all the proof screenshots. No other method comes close to this one, especially with how simple this is to do. And again, no list is required to do this. No paid traffic is used at all, and no product creation is required. None of that stuff. And it also doesn't matter what prior experience you have or don't have. Just a few simple steps is all it takes to hit the $100 a day mark with this Milk It method. And this is completely scalable too. You can see Tim has banked over $35,000 on this account alone. So if you are fed up with all the useless methods out there, then seriously give this one a shot. This is a new and unique way of getting super targeted traffic to your offers that does not require hours of work. The profits really come quickly and easily with this Milk It method, especially with the tweaks that Tim has made for this. And just a heads up, the early bird discount of $7 ends soon on this. So if you want to lock in that lowest price, then grab your copy of Milk It method before the countdown timer below hits 0. And I also want to let you know that if you get in early on this, you are definitely going to reap the biggest rewards, because this is a highly untapped method that very few people know about right now. So if you haven't hit that $100 a day online yet, then this is a very easy and very fast way to get there. We are super excited to bring this one to you guys. And again, if you want to get the best price on this, then try to get in before that countdown timer hits 0. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to working with you on the inside of the Milk It method.